We're going to dig into cash and execution. And so this is about spending time on the important, not just the urgent. And that's what execution is all about. You got to know where you are, and you got to know, what do I need to do to get to the end zone. So here's some of the key performance indicators in the execution arena to be thinking about. And so one of the most important pieces about good execution is knowing where you are. So the first step is having a good goal, having a solid statement of what we're trying to accomplish. So there's three key areas. The first is, what kind of results are we trying to get? And then, well, how am I going to do that? And then finally, this is the key piece. Eileen really taught me this piece, which is by what, with what, through what. Because it's not enough to say, well, I'm going to go off and hire a new CEO by July 1st of 2022. I have to have some steps. What has trickled up as one or two key results, maybe three if you want to be aggressive, that you want to try and accomplish, and what might you start to do in order to get there?